Yes, hello my dear students. As we were discussing about the amines previous year questions, okay. So yes, I am completing from 2019 till 2015-14, okay, around 4 to 5 years questions been discussed. I hope you find this one useful, okay. So where we have stopped in 2018, okay, we have discussed about that and the weightage or the number of questions been asked, even we have discussed that, okay. I hope there is no doubt, and some of the tricks I have told that I will going to show, like what happens to the electron withdrawing group if present for the acidity, if the electron donating group, how it will going to affect the acidity, okay, how they will going to affect the basicity. Remember these two, okay, then you can predict answer in an easy way, okay. So let us discuss about the 2017. So the number of questions been asked in 2017 year were 2 questions, okay. So the question is like the correct order of increasing basic nature for the bases ammonia, methylamine and dimethylamine in aqueous solution, okay. So again you could observe the question is based on the basicity here. So as I have told already that I'll going to show again, okay. So as I have told, whenever the electron donating group is present, what happens to the basic property? It increases, okay. So electron donating group example, methyl, okay, methyl, ethyl, okay. The alkyls are the electron donating group. Amine is also, that is NH2 is also an electron donating group. Yes. Now see, if I consider that part, you could see they have given 3 examples. One is ammonia, one is methylamine, one is dimethylamine. So no doubt ammonia is basic in nature. Why? It consists of a lone pair of electrons on it, okay. And we know that if it has more electron density on nitrogen, it acts as what? The Lewis base, or you can call it as a Lewis base, which is nothing but the electron donor. Okay, so here, so one point is clear, more the electron density on the nitrogen, more its capacity to donate the electron. So if I consider that point, if I go through methylamine, okay, no doubt nitrogen has a lone pair of electrons, okay. At the same time, as I told, methyl is an electron donating group, okay. So this methyl group will do what? It donates electrons to the nitrogen again, okay. So the electron density on the nitrogen, what happens? Increases. Means what? The more availability of a electron to donate increases on nitrogen, okay. So obviously what happens? Its basic character increases, okay. Similarly, if I go to dimethylamine, okay, if I go to dimethylamine, that is what they have asked, okay. So even it consists of what? This methyl group is also an electron donating group, and this methyl group is also electron donating group, and as well as the nitrogen has the lone pair of electrons on it, okay. So as the electron density on a nitrogen increases, its capacity to donate also increases, so directly the basic character increases. So according to this information, I could say among 4 options, this one, that is ammonia is less basic than methylamine than dimethylamine, okay. So for this question, option C is the correct one. So it is purely based on the presence of an electron donating group. This is the second question of 2017, okay. You could see the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis is used in the preparation of a primary amine from phthalimide, and which of the following reagent is not used during the process? So dear students, while discussing about the mind map, I have told you about this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This will be used to prepare the primary amines only, okay. So even we have discussed what all the reagent will be used. See, in case of a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, the reagent will going to use, one is phthalimide, that is compulsory, okay. So one is what? The phthalimide. This is what the structure of phthalimide, okay. So we will going to use this phthalimide, and along with that one we will going to use potash, Okay, and we will going to use the respective alkyl halide, and we will going to use the respective excess of sodium hydroxide. These are all the reagents that we're going to use in case of a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Okay, almost the basic character over maintained here. So there is no role of a HCl over here. Okay, there is no role of a HCl, so that is the main reason we will not going to use HCl. So quite a simple. If you know about the reagents, okay, if you practice the mind map, okay, so it's a fraction of a second you can answer it. So option C is the one which we will not going to use. Okay, so the next one is, so dear students, here the 2016 question, okay, around 2 questions been asked again. Okay, so just observe, there are some questions which includes 2 or more chapters. Okay, half of the reaction will be of one chapter and another half of a reaction will be of another chapter. So thing is, if you have practiced the reagents and the reactions using the mind map or in any other way, then you can answer it very easily. Okay, so the question is like, in the following sequence of the reaction, okay, where A undergo reduction to give B, okay, B undergo reaction with a nitrous acid to give respective ethyl alcohol. Okay, so this have shown you already. Whenever a compound reacts with a nitrous acid at 0 degree, it undergo or it gives what? Ethyl alcohol. Okay, means that is the next step. They have given a half of the reaction here. Okay, so this is nothing but what? The diazotization followed by the hydrolysis. Okay, so when I say diazotization, the B compound should be, okay, the B compound should be what? The respective amine. Only the amine will undergo the diazotization process followed by the hydrolysis to give ethyl alcohol. So since 2 carbons are present, so amine should be what? CH3, CH2, NH2. Quite simple. Okay, this should be what? The ethyl amine. Okay, so now the question comes, there is a process, there is a method. I have already shown you people that there is a compound A which will undergo reductions to give respective ethyl amine. Okay, if you remember, if you have practiced the, or if you have gone through the mind map that I have given in the back, okay, in the previous video, then you could see the compound that is cyanide. Okay, so this is what we're going to call the ethane nitrile. Okay, this is what we're going to call it as a ethane. Why the ethane? Since 2 carbons are present, we can call even it as what? We can call it as a methyl cyanide. Okay, so ethane nitrile upon reduction means what? The addition of hydrogen or the removal of oxygen. Okay, where oxygen means what? The addition of oxygen and the removal of a hydrogen. Anything can happen over there. Okay, so here what is happening? The methyl cyanide or the ethane nitrile is undergo reduction. Okay, where the hydrogen been added. So to this carbon 2 hydrogen, to this nitrogen 2 hydrogen will be added. Okay, so that results in the formation of respective ethyl amine, followed by treating with the nitrous acid and the hydrolysis, it gives ethyl alcohol. So among the 4 options, which one is correct? The option B is the correct one. Okay, so this question we have discussed even in another chapter as well. Okay, so it is repeated question, not a doubt. Okay, yes, let us move to the next question, that is, yes. So this is another interesting question from 2016, okay, where they have not given any reaction, where they have not given any formula, but they have described it, okay, in a words. So by that you have to conclude or to predict which is the product or what they are asking. Okay, let us go. What the thing is, an organic compound A on reduction gives compound B. Let us write what they have given. Okay, there is an organic compound A which upon reduction, okay, gives what? B. Okay, this B on reaction with the trichloromethane. So dear students, trichloromethane means what? CHCl3, which is nothing but what? Chloroform. Okay, which on reaction with the trichloromethane and the caustic potash, which is nothing but what? Potassium hydroxide, gives C. Okay, so this compound C on catalytic reduction, where this again undergoing what? The reduction to give final compound they have given, that is N-methyl benzene amine. Okay, N-methyl benzene amine. So can I write the structure like this is what? So the product formed is N-methyl benzene amine. Okay, this is what I have written is a benzyl amine. Okay, so N-methyl benzene amine means this is not N-methyl benzene amine means, so write the benzene and N means nitrogen. Okay, to which methyl group is substituted. Okay, this is what we're going to call it as a N-methyl benzene amine. Okay, so now quite simple. We need to predict the compound A. What is the starting compound or the reactant we need to detect? Okay, quite simple. Listen students, at least if you know this part, at least you can predict from B to C what it is, then you can answer. That we have discussed through the mind map. Let me show you people that. See here, whenever a compound, that is isocyanide, whenever amine is treated with, whenever the amine is treated with a trichloromethane, which is nothing but a chloroform, and the alcoholic potash, it gives what? Isocyanide. Okay, amine will give isocyanide when treated with these compounds. So same thing we have a chloroform and we have a potash. Okay, so that gives what? C means we will going to get isocyanide. Okay, then what would be the B? B would be obviously, it should be what? The benzene amine. Okay, it should be what? The benzene amine. So shall we write that one? It should be what? The respective benzene amine. Okay, so this is what the compound should be. Okay, so this benzene amine when undergo same thing, when amine, okay, undergo reaction with this chloroform, okay, the same thing, it will going to give what? The isocyanate. So what might be the product C over here? It should give what? As it is. Okay, and we should get what? The respective benzene isocyanate or phenyl isocyanide. Okay, so this is what the compound we should get. Clear? Okay, so now it is quite simple. So this upon reduction gives NH2 here, this upon, not this one. Okay, this upon reduction will going to give what? NH and with CH3 over here. So this is clear. Now what we want the compound A. Okay, and during the discussion about the preparation, I have told you that the nitro compound upon reduction gives the amine. Okay, so in this nitro compound here, the A should be what? The nitro. Okay, so here we have a benzene ring. Okay, and we have nitro group. So this nitrobenzene upon reduction gives aniline or benzenamine, which upon treatment with the chloroform and the alcoholic potash will give phenyl isocyanate, which upon reduction will give the respective N-methyl benzene amine. Okay, so finally what is the A? A is the nitrobenzene. So if you have practiced all this deeply, then you can answer it very easily. Okay, so the compound here, nitrobenzene, is the correct answer. Okay, so now let us move to the next part, that is 2015. Okay, so in 2015 the number of questions been asked again are what? 2 questions. Okay, so again, as I told, the questions will be like combining 1 or 2 chapters, like that also they have given over here. Okay, let us discuss about that. So the last question of this video, and it is from 2015 itself. The question is, one of the following amide will not undergo Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. This I have explained while discussing about the mind map. So the condition for the Hofmann-Bromamide reaction is that the nitrogen, okay, should, or the amide that is present should contain 2 hydrogen atom bonded to it, like RCONH2. Okay, this is what the amide will going to write. The nitrogen should be bonded to the 2 hydrogen. Only those compounds will readily undergo what? The Hoffmann bromamide reaction. So you could see here the question is like which will not undergo. So here we have the respective acetamide, the nitrogen consists of 2 hydrogen, it will readily undergo. Okay, come to this option C, it consists of a 2 hydrogen. Similarly come to option D, it consists of a 2 hydrogen. But when it comes to option B, okay, this nitrogen is bonded only to the 1 hydrogen and to the methyl group. Okay, so this will not undergo the Hoffmann bromamide reaction. Okay, so this is about the previous year questions of 2017, 16 and 15. Okay.